This video will show you how to add a new phone to a new user on the Splicecom SV1000 voice platform using the Select Voice Admin Portal. To add a new phone, select the Phones tab. You will see three options: Manage Phones, Import Phones and Unassigned Phones. Import Phones allows you to import a number of phones, and Unassigned Phones will show phones that are registered to the SV1000 but do not have a user assigned. In this example, select Manage Phones. You can see three options: add a phone, edit an existing phone, or delete a phone. To edit or delete, firstly click the desired device. Let's select the add icon. Select phone type, either a Splicecom PCS phone or a third-party SIP phone. For this example, we will select a Splicecom phone. You should complete the MAC address field. This code can be found on the base of the handset or on the side of the box it is supplied in. Enter a description and enter the partner login code that is to match the Splicecom partner application. For example, if the phone is to be partnered with Navigate software. The system registration would show a single entry if you have an on-premise or hosted solution. If you have one or more survivable gateways deployed, then you can assign the phone to the required gateway. We have not set a new user, so let's save and OK the changes and look at adding a new user. From the Admin Portal, select the Users tab and select Manage Users. You will see a list of existing users. Click on the add icon and you are presented with a blank user. Note, the user has been allocated next available extension or telephone number, in this case 2032. You can change the telephone number if required. Firstly, enter the name, then add a description, and select from the list the user's dial plan. We then need to assign a phone to the user. Under Initial Phone, select the call server or a survivable gateway if applicable. Select the MAC address relating to the phone which we previously assigned to the system. We now have a user assigned to the phone and can enter the general user settings. Under the Details tab, select Voicemail Home and choose the call server or applicable survivable gateway if required, where the user's voicemail will be stored. Enter a user voicemail passcode. Note, an error will appear if you enter a simple code. Enter a login access code if hot desking. Set the simple forward to numbers, home and mobile. And then enter the user's email and logo details for custom images on colour display phones. If unsure, contact your reseller for information regarding the logo URL. The Forwarding tab allows you to manage call forward rules, for example, external calls to the user's mobile telephone number. The License tab. This assigns the relevant licenses to a user. It is mandatory to complete the user license type. Under User License, you must select either an IP user, an analog user, or a virtual user license. Let's allocate a Navigate softphone license to the user by simply clicking on the slider. Finally, we will add favourites to the user so we can see when the favourites are busy on the phone. Select the Favourites tab, click Add Favourites. Enter the telephone number followed by the description and repeat. To change the order in which the favourites are displayed, click on the user and drag to desired position. If you would like to group favourites, click on Add Group. Change the group name, for example Accounts, and drag a favourite into the group. When complete, press Save. You have now completed adding a new user with an additional phone to the Splicecom SV1000.